Welcome to my presentation on the information processing model. Today I will be comparing the model to a very popular American sport, football. There are 4 stages in the information processing model that build upon each other. It begins with environment and senses, which leads into the sensory register. The sensory register filters into the immediate or working memory stage, which ultimately leads to long-term memory and self-concept. Time to think football, or more specifically, think quarterback. We'll start with the first stage of the information processing model, environment and senses. The quarterback has to use his senses to take in the environment around him before the game even begins. While the quarterback has a lot to take in and feels an immense sense of pressure, it is important to cancel out anything that could cause a distraction and only focus on the things that will allow him and his team to have a successful game. Next, we'll talk about immediate and working memory. The quarterback must take the important things from his sensory register into his immediate and working memory in order to call plays to his teammates, throw the ball, encourage his teammates, anticipate what the other team will do, and make quick decisions that will benefit his team. All of these things filter into the quarterback's long-term memory and self-concept. To bring the immediate and working memory into the long-term storage, the quarterback must take time to reflect. Any constructive feedback influences self-concept. Sharing a win with the team, receiving feedback from the coach on how to improve, receiving feedback from teammates, practicing and improving plays, and rewatching game film can all enhance long-term memory and self-concept. Let's recap. Again, the 4 stages of information processing are environment and senses, where your brain is using your senses to gather information about an experience, which are then stored into the sensory register, which retains sensory information to be placed in the immediate or working memory. In the immediate and working memory stage, this is where the quarterback puts plays into action, including throwing the ball and handing off the ball. This filters into long-term memory and self-concept. Celebrating a win with the team, receiving feedback, all help cement immediate working memory into long-term storage. I hope you enjoyed my presentation.